Hello guys. So today I'll be sharing my interview experience at IBM, and at the time of interview I was having 5.5 years of experience, and this was for Bangalore location. But later like they have changes to Gurgaon and further to Noida. So like that's for later stage, but like I'll go through like what all rounds I have gone through and what has been asked from me in the interview. So like I applied to IBM through Naukri.com. So I got this call through Naukri, and I was having this Naukri fast forward service. Like that we can discuss in some other video. But like in the round one, what they do is like they give you a link on the hacker rank, and they give you two programs to write. So one of them will be little on the tough side and one will be easy. So like you have to attempt at least one, and if you can do both, that's great. But like at that time when I was giving the interview, how I found that like this one, the repeated words in a string, a little difficult, and this was like I have well practiced before, so I was able to do it. But like I struggled in the second one, but I like whatever I was able to do, I had done it. So like the first one was like we have to count the number of words in a string, so using hash map. So this was pretty easy for me, and this was like I was not able to do it, but still like whatever I can write, I wrote it. So like uh, after this I thought like you have to get one out of two correct in order to proceed for the next round of interview. Like that depends from profile to profile and from person to person, but that was I was able to deduct from this. So like I was called in for the second round, and it happened after almost a week. So I gave the exam, and after 2 days like they told me that like I have cleared my next round, and like they will call you, the HR guy will call you, and like they scheduled my next round. So it was a technical round, and it was with one of the guy. Actually I have this habit of writing the interviewer name, but like just to I have removed it. So yeah, so it started like the technical round was started like with the basic introduction, and after that, like what I do in my day-to-day activities in my current role and organization and all that, like it will consume around 5 to 10 minutes. And like this, I forgot to tell you this online hacker rank, they give you 45 minutes to complete the both the tasks. And this technical interview went for around 40 to 45 minutes in my case. So like the initial 5 to 10 minutes, it will cover your basic introduction and what are your current roles and responsibilities. After that, like the interviewer asked me like how will I going to run only the failed test cases using TestNG. So in that, like I remember we can like there is a HTML report, that is the failed HTML report that is being generated. So you can rerun that, but like the interviewer asked me like by using TestNG. So this was the question. The next question was like how will you take a screenshot in Selenium? So at that time, like I'll be very frank that at that time I know the like the how we are going to do it. Like there are different libraries, and we have to use. But I was not able to like write the exact code. So like if you are going to the interview, these like this question, you have to like write down the code. So that was expected out of me, and I was not able to do it. But I'll like suggest you guys to practice this before going in any interview if you are like 3+ experience. After that, like the interview asked me regarding like finalize method, difference between interface and abstract class. So basic like Java questions, and array list. This is collection framework, and parameters in TestNG. So like I have jumbled up the sequence because whatever I can recall, I have wrote down here. But like if the interviewer going to, I think this and this are interrelated. So after like this question, the interviewer asked me regarding the parameters in TestNG, like what are the sequence, the TestNG annotations and all that. And after that, like till here, it covered around 20 minutes. After that, like I was asked to design test cases for a flight booking app, let's say yatra.com, and different test cases were discussed. And so in this, we have to see that like the all the areas are covered, like the UI, the uh, API testing, and the like whatever when someone tells you that you have to design test cases, so try to cover the different areas of testing, usability testing, UI testing, API testing, etc. So like that was my approach. And like if you follow this approach, you can easily give 10 to 15 test cases in any scenario. Okay. Now the all-time favorite question, why strings are immutable. So like I feel there are some questions like this one which you have to like when it is asked, you have to simply tell them 3 to 4 points in a very concise. Like you should not mumble, and you should not think. So it should come automatically. So that shows like you have confidence in you. So yeah, I will also tell you to like go and search for this, like why strings are immutable for the security purpose. And you can like tell the diagram, not exactly like diagram, but you can tell like how the stacks and queue, where the memory is allocated, and like regarding all that. And again, one of the favorite questions regarding difference between XPath and CSS. And I remember particularly the guy asked me regarding which one is faster. So uh, this was also one of the questions, and like different between assert and verify. So after this interview, I felt that it was on little lighter side, because I was able to answer like 90% of the questions, except like this screenshot one. And like there were one two questions also where I was not very clear. So this like these strings are immutable also, like I was able to tell 1 2 points, but after that like they asked me why is it so and all that. So you have to be pretty much clear and concise in your answers. So that was I was able to deduct from this interview, from this round. And I was like 80% confident that like I'll be selected, because it went well. So after like 2 days itself, the HR guy told me that like I'll be having the next round. At that time, they didn't tell me that like whether this is the final round or managerial round. They simply told that like you will be having your next round. So it was with a lady. So I blurred out the name, but she was the manager in IBM. And like it again, it started with the basic questions, like basic introduction and my day-to-day activities. After that, she asked me like she gave a brief overview on the project she was working on, and the team which I was taken into. So after that, like she asked me if we are taking our application to cloud, let's say to AWS, so what are the different scenarios which I have to look, and like how will I design the test cases for that. So this was regarding it. After that, it was like if we have a business to client customer application, so what things we have to keep in mind. And after that, like the again, one of the favorite questions, where do you see yourself? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? So this was again, I felt was pretty easy. And nothing like technical was discussed, only like your way of thinking is tested here. And also this was the HR round itself, because the salary negotiation happened after like 15 20 minutes. So salary negotiations. So at that time, like I was looking for the NCR location, but the position was for Bangalore location. But still I accepted, because I thought like I can move there. But yep. So your salary will be like discussed, and I was told that like she will share the result after 2 to 3 days. And I guess after 1 week, I got an call from the HR regarding the documentation and everything. And in 2 to 3 days, my offer letter was released. So, this managerial round took around 30 minutes. And after this round, I guess after 2 weeks, you can expect your offer letter. And after like 1 month, I got one of the offers from a different organization in Gurgaon location. So after that, I further negotiated with them regarding the Gurgaon location, and later after that, like they provided me the Noida location, which I was initially looking for. So I guess like the overall interview was pretty much easy. Uh, and like if you cover your basics right, and if you can go through all the like the favorite Java questions, so Java, Selenium, and infrastructure part, so I guess like you can easily clear these rounds. So that was my overall experience, and that's it, guys. Thank you.